from the stunning Breakers Hotel in Palm Beach, Florida. And on this Mindful Monday, I want to send out a reminder to all of those who are traveling by plane, train, automobile this holiday season. Let's remember to give the gift of kindness. Yeah, let's remember all those working in the industry to get us safely to our destinations. Say thank you to that flight attendant or the waiter at the airport that's grabbing your coffee. Give a little extra to them. Let's remember the armed forces, the military who are serving overseas, away from their family and their loved ones, so that we can celebrate with ours. And finally, let's remember our fellow travelers, yes, who may be traveling, to visit a sick relative. They may have small children. They may be a grouchy middle seat passenger. But let's remember to be kind this season to them. And if you have any other mindful tips for traveling during the holidays, I would love to know them. So put them in the comments below. All right, TravelCharlee out, and a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.